Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. First, I would like to thank the company, the Stick company, for providing this review unit. This is the IMStick. It's a versatile magnetic holder. Anyway, before we proceed, you will earn 10% off for every order made with the following discount code. They have a range of products, but just make sure you buy the products from their website, if you want to get the discount, that is. Check the description below to see all that. Let's look at the packaging. At the front of the package you can see some information about the product, like what is contained in the package, the materials that are used to make the product, and general info about the product. We can now proceed with the unboxing, which is pretty easy. Inside the package we get a packet of wet wipes, which has the logo of the company at the front and how to use it at the back. We also get the magnetic body, which also has the branding. It is made from metal and it actually feels premium built with all the metal construction. Finally, we get two wires, which I will show you how they are used with the product. First, let's see how we assemble everything and put everything in one place before we dive into functionalities. The wires are actually pretty sturdy. Anyway, here we'll just put everything together. After assembling everything, you should have a product looking like a four-legged insect. You know what I mean. When you remove the steel plates, you will see a punched hole, which I believe could be used to attach other accessories. Let's prepare our phone for the steel plates attachment. Once the steel plates is attached to the phone, then we are almost done. I tried using it with my back cover. Let's see how well it's going to function. Well, you can use this product for different purposes. As for me, I use it as a stand to consume media like YouTube, Netflix and so on. 2, which is most useful to most users, is using it as a tripod for photography. This means you can even curl it around objects to get support for better photos. The magnets are also pretty strong, as you can see from the demonstration. Anyway, the IMStick is portable, and I mean really portable. You can actually bend the wires around the magnetic body in order to achieve the smallest tripod or stand possible. So for the big question, is the IMStick worth buying? Short answer, yes. Long answer, you can get a lot of functionalities with such a single product. And the list is as follows. Well, for now that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please just drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.